yung mga tao. Dahil I think mga 6 o'clock or 7 mag-start na yung show, yung concert. It's already 6:25 and the stage without lights is, yan, nakikita na natin, no? Para siyang triangle design. And then may TV siya sa taas. As what Darren said, maganda daw yung stage niya. So, let's see kung ano yung magiging outcome niya as he will start the concert later. Yeah. So, yan pala yung umiilaw, guys. And yung mga tao, yung mga light sticks na color green, it's because the color of the fans club of Darren or Darren Addicts is green. So, yeah. The people are coming na. Let's go. Hi guys! So it's already magsa 7 PM na. At ito na yung crowd, guys, no? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Smart Araneta Coliseum para panoorin ang D10 ni Darren Espanto dahil 10th anniversary niya dito. At ito yung crowd ngayon, makikita natin, guys. Ayan, pakita natin. Ayan, so yun yung stage, kitang-kita rin natin, guys, no? So nakaupo tayo ngayon sa upper box at free seating ito, kaya naman maaga po ako pumunta dito para maganda yung ano natin, 'di ba? Eyesight. So yeah, update ko kayo, guys, kung ano yung mga ganap dahil marami na yung mga tao para panoorin ang D10 dito sa Smart Araneta. Let's go.
Grabe yung energy ng mga Darren Addicts tonight, ah! Oh my gosh, excited na ba kayo? Bongga! Okay, isa pa. Kailangan pa natin angatin yung energy. What's up, Araneta? Hey! Grabe! Saturday na Saturday, guys. It's ready and it's time for us to party. O, diba? Finally, it's D-Day. But before we go on to our main show, D10, Darren's 10th anniversary concert. Ako muna yung makakasama ninyo for your pre-show. My name is Ayana Perlas. Eto, magiging masaya lang yung pre-show natin, guys. And I know we are all excited for Darren's performances later. And syempre, guys, meron pa tayong mga special guests. Syempre, eto siya. Present dyan ang The Voice Kids Philippines Season 1 Grand Champion Laika. Yes, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano. The Chief of OPM, Mr. Ogie Alcacid. The Pop Ballad Royalty, Mr. Eric Santos. The Pop Star Royalty, Miss Sarah G. And ito, gusto ko marinig, Araneta, the Uncabogable Vice Ganda! Woo! Diba? Grabe, napaka-exciting talaga ng night natin, guys, for everyone here in Araneta. Kaya naman, we would like to thank our sponsors. Darren's D10 concert is co-presented by TNT. Sasaya na yan with TNT. And of course, brought to us by Chowking. Chowking, show my Chow fan. Kakaibang walk sarap. Ayan, Chowking. There you go. In cooperation as well with Bello Medical Group. Ta-da! And also Coke Zero and Beauty Derm. Ayan. Oy.
And he has a very good personality, so I am waiting for those things to see on stage. And ayun, kasi nakita ko siya kanina nag-rehearse, mga galing rehearsals pala.
Sobra,
So,
grabe.
what more sa mismong live performance?
Yes, exactly. And I'm sure everyone here in Araneta loved your performance as well. So of course, Jana, take your time to promote all your to watch tonight.
Nasabi ko kanina na nakakatuwa na si Darren nasa songwriter era. Tapos nagpo-produce niya yung sarili niyang songs now. So, excited ako marinig ng live yung mga original songs niya na nasulat.
Oh my my gosh, exciting! We can't wait. And of course, last but not the least, Trisha, it's your time to promote all your social media, Spotify mo.
Songs are a part of it. Nasa Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, and all digital platforms worldwide. So you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok at I am Trisha Denise. Thank you so much, po.
I love it. Thank you so much, Trisha. Once again, Araneta, let's give it up for Trisha Denise. Once again, we would like to give our special thanks to our media partners, One Music PH, Mix Global, More Manila, Nylon Manila, Zine, Billboard PH, and Freebie Manila. Grabe, what a fun experience. And I know we are all excited for D10. Again, D10 is co-presented by TNT. Sasaya na yan with TNT. Thank you so much for having me, D10. And actually, that concludes our pre-game show. Gusto ko naman malaman, Araneta, excited na ba kayo? Handa na? Hey! Thank you to our very generous sponsors who made D10 possible. We have Gateway Financial, Purvey by Ilios, Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng, and Darren's D Concert is once again co-presented by TNT. Sasaya na yan with TNT. Brought to you by Chowking. Chowking, show my Chow fan, kakaibang wok sarap. And speaking of Chowking, once again guys, meron tayong Chow fan box photo booth sa may Green Gate. Again, if you want to take photos of your memories dito lang sa D10, of course, take your pictures there, guys. Makulit kayo ng memories because later on, watch out for Darren's surprise mamaya sa main show natin, which is happening in just a matter of minutes. Tonight marks one of Darren's milestones in the industry. It's D-Day for the Asia's pop heartthrob. Hi! Hey, hey, ganon. Let's sing and groove as he celebrates this night with us once again. Handa na ba kayo para kay Darren Espanto? Woo! Energy. I love it, Araneta. Thank you so much once again. My name is Ayana Perlas, your host for this pre-show segment. And again, this is D10 Darren's 10th anniversary concert!
Ayun na guys, mag-start na in just a few minutes. And ayan, halos napuno na rin. Marami na rin tao. Ayan na guys, natapos na yung pre-show. And what are we waiting right now is the opening of D10. So here's the stage.